Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix account warning on TikTok. So if you are facing account warning on your TikTok application, so what you have to do is firstly just open your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application, you have to log into your account that have warning. Then tap on this profile icon, then just tap on these three bars and click on settings and privacy. When you are in settings and privacy, then scroll down a little bit and you can see in support and about report a problem. Just simply tap on it. Then again scroll down and in the topics you can see the account and profile. Click on it. When you are here, you have to tap on this last option profile page. Click on it. And then again in the last you can see the other option. Click on it. So when you are here, you have to tap on no, that your problem is not solved. So click on it and then tap on this need more help. Now here you have to give feedback that you are facing a warning. So you have to type something like this to TikTok and then just let the TikTok know that you want to remove this warning. And in the end you have to type your username, and after typing your username just simply have to upload your screenshot like the problem you are facing. You have to take screenshot of your problem and then you have to upload it here. After uploading the screenshot and doing this all process, you simply have to tap on this submit button. After submitting this in next 24 hours, the TikTok team will remove the warning from your account. So that's how you can remove account warning on TikTok. If this video helped you out, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.